Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you the hidden spot in the Christmas Island on Fish It Roblox. So the limited time Christmas Island in Fish It is more than just snowy scenery, because it has a secret fishing spot where you can get a holiday and rare fish. So what you need to do in here, once you're in the island, you can just go to the left to where the houses is and go in here, go in between this house and rock. You can just go inside and turn right from here. Now go left again, and you can just follow my steps in here. So just go inside like this until you found this rocks like this, and after that you'll find the water like this. Don't forget to put on your diving gear like I do in here. Just go inside the water and follow where the rock is. You can just go in here, go inside. So just follow this rocks in here until you found this walls right here. So just go to that wall and go left from here, and you'll see this spot where you can go fishing. You can just follow this walls right here, and now you arrive in the location until you see this spot right here. So this is the secret spot that you can do fishing to get the legendary or the mythic or even the secret fish in the Christmas Island. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. So I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.